Uh-huh. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Check it. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy's sweet touch protection when she touch it. Hey, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma spit this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touch it. Craft so dope, she touch it. Case, Casey, cause she touch it. Abracadabra rest. Oof. Estella fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and shifts from the Great Lakes state. Set a spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way. Hey, I know what it is.
Passionately intrigued.
That's right.
She's a sweet touch.
Hello, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is Tracy. I want you guys to unmold with me. I poured a pyramid, and I did it in a like an ocean type theme. I tried. We're gonna see what it looks like when we take it out of this mold. But I used gravel. I used seashells. And I used sand. And I kind of colored the sand like a beige color. This is the rest of it. This is white. Are you ready? And then I used some crushed glass that I colored with alcohol ink. I colored it like an aqua blue color. So this is a pyramid mold, and as you can see, the pebbles and the sand, and then here's my crushed glass that I colored that aqua blue. So let's take this joker out and see what we got, what we're working with. It's kind of heavy. Oh, I just laugh because my brother always says something about when I say it's heavy. I won't even go there. Oh, look, y'all, look. Let me make sure I stay in the camera. Okay. Okay. I forgot what I put in here. I got some seashells that I made out of resin and colored. My sand kind of mixed in because I had fish down here. You can't really see them because I didn't wait for the layers to dry before I put that sand in. So the sand sunk because, you know, your mold is upside down. So that sand was heavy and the sand sunk through the resin and covered up my little fishies. Well, there's a mermaid tail. Can you see that? At least there's a mermaid tail in there that you can see. There's another fish down there that you can't really see. At least you can see the seashells. And there's fish. Can't see them though. They're buried in there. There's one in the corner. There's another mermaid tail, if you can see that. So let's turn on the light. I put fairy lights in there. Oh, that is pretty. Now you're seeing it from the top. Let me try and do it in the angles. Turn it all the way around for you. I kind of wish I'd have used clear lights instead of the blue, but I don't know. But I know what not to do next time. I gotta make another one because I want my fish to show better than they are. Now let's look at it with the lights off. Oops, I moved it the wrong way. Yeah, come back this way. I don't know what y'all hear. I got the TV on and another phone. Oh, okay. What do you think? You like? That is all. I just wanted to unmold this and see what it looked like. I'm going to put it on a base. I'm going to paint a base and glue it to the base. And I'll bring it back and show it to you when I'm all done. But I am going to make another one because I have to, the layer of sand with the resin, I'm going to have to let that settle and dry before I put this clear coat, because I wanted this whole area to be clear so that you could see all the fish and everything. And it's not quite, but it's still pretty. It's not what I wanted it to be, but it's still nice. Somebody will like it. Thank you. Hit the like button, please. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. I have playlists. Passionately Intrigued Arts is #1, and then I also have another one called PIA Shorts. Check out some of my videos. I have well over 200 videos posted. Let me know what you like. Let me know if you like. Thanks again, and we shall see you next time.